On 1st of November, Finance Department, Government of Assam and District Administration of Karbi Anglong roll out the distribution of checks to the beneficiaries of Assam Microfinance Incentive and Relief Scheme 2021 for Category 2 at Sarsing Teron, Langkung Habe Memorial Town Hall, Dipu. Fulfilling the promise made by Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, Chief Minister of Assam, during the election campaign to empower women across the state, let government roll out the distribution of Assam Microfinance Incentive and Relief Scheme 2021 for Category 2 checks to 428 beneficiaries from East Karbi Anglong at Sarsing Teron, Langkung Habe Memorial Town Hall, Dipu. The program was initiated from mid-noon and the objective of the program was briefed by Madhumita Bhagawati, Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAAC, while addressing his speech, informed that this check is distributed to liberate all the women from the burden of repaying loans they had taken from the bank. This is a part of Himanta Biswa Sharma-led government's vision to empower women across the state. Such type of scheme would not be found in any other state.
Kuti krehinia tangka, suri krehinia tangka, Assam government atung nang tu bipo akejoy penang tu apreng phang. Lason kamatha Assam det kali Karbi Anglong det kali Bharat angkanglong along aprega state along avelai.
Jogen Mohan, HOD Minister, Government of Assam, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAAC, Bida Singh Ingling, MLA, Dorsing Ronghang, MLA, EMs, MECs, DC, government officials and several dignitaries attended the check distribution program. Now let us hear from Jogen Mohan, HOD Minister, Government of Assam, what he spoke while briefing the media.
কোনোবাই 20,000 কোনোবাই 19,000 কোনোবাই 14,000 কাৰোবাৰ যি লোন কম লয় তেওঁৰ প্ৰিমিয়ামটো কম হয় যি লোনটো বেছি লয় তেওঁৰ প্ৰিমিয়াম বেছি হয় সেই পইচাটো আমি দিছোঁ এইটো হকা আৰু উদগনি আঁচনিৰ জৰিয়তে মই তেওঁলোকক হকাও দিছোঁ পইচাটো দি আৰু ভৱিষ্যতে তেওঁলোকৰ মই কৈছোঁ চিভিলটো ভালকৈ দিয়া হ'ল এই 428 গৰাকী মহিলা আকৌ বেংকৰ পৰা লোন ল'ব পাৰিব।
News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.